Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve one-step algebraic equations. Our goal is to isolate the variable. So, in order to do that, we must use the opposite operation of what is being done to the variable. Take this case, for example. We have x minus 2 equals 28. Since x is being subtracted by 2, we must do the opposite to isolate the variable by itself. So, we would do x plus 2 to both sides. And that gives us x equals 30. Let's take a look at this next problem. Here, 8 is being added to the variable k. So, in order to cancel the 8 out, we must subtract 8 to both sides. This gives us k equals negative 6. But what if we have something that's being multiplied by x? Well, no problem. All we have to do is realize that 3 is multiplying to x, so then we do the opposite operation, which is division. So we divide both sides by 3, which effectually cancels out the 3's on that side, and we're left with x equals 11. Try this next equation. So we're going to do the same thing that we did before, and we're going to multiply both sides by 5 because we want to do the opposite operation. This cancels out the right side to isolate x, because this just becomes 1. So we have x equals 100. Okay, pause the video and see if you can try these problems on your own. So, we're starting with 2x equals 20. So, since we're multiplying, we do the opposite operation and divide by 2. We're left with x equals 10. Next problem. The same situation, we're multiplying, so we do the opposite operation and divide by 3. We are left with x equals 10 again. Third problem. Since the x is being added by 10, we want to do the opposite operation, so subtract 10 from both sides, and we get x equals 32. Final problem. In this situation, x is being subtracted by 2, so the opposite operation is addition. We add 2 to both sides, and we're left with x equals 34. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting tutored by me for English or math, contact me at ACETutoring20@gmail.com.